All right, so my name is Kevin Danikowski, and let me give you a little bit of background about myself before kind of mentioning how the Kwak Brothers have helped me out. So my real estate journey started a couple of years ago when I had decided that real estate was going to be the way to make the passive income that I was looking for in life so that I could travel or do whatever wishes and journeys that I had planned. It wasn't until recently that I was able to get a job that gave me enough capital to really get going with this. And now I've been looking at some 3 and 6 units that I can purchase on my own, don't have to use partners for. The Kwak Brothers were really helpful in kind of getting me to figure out what are some of the strategies to use to find those off-market deals. One of which I used recently to actually get this 3 unit under contract, which I'm getting at about between 10 to 20% lower than what its market value is at. And I'm actually doing it with some form of seller financing, not completely, but some form of it. And so that was really helpful. I talked to Daniel recently, and he kind of gave me a strategy to actually move on from instead of 3 units to actually do 16 unit plus. And so I'm working on getting a mailing campaign started for that. And it's been extremely helpful, and I've been very happy to have them at my disposal.